Imagine being the first option for potential customers without spending a dime on ads. That's the power of SEO, and today we're diving deep into it. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a game changer in the digital age. It's the science and art of getting your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, making it more visible to people who are searching for your products or services. It's like being on the front row of a concert, but instead of paying for your ticket, you earn your spot by providing the most relevant and valuable information. In the vast ocean of the internet, SEO is the compass that guides potential customers to your digital doorstep. It's not just about visibility, but about making sure that the right people see you at the right time. But why is SEO so crucial in this digital age? With billions of searches happening on Google every day, the internet has become the modern marketplace. If your business isn't showing up in these searches, you're missing out on a colossal opportunity for growth and revenue. SEO isn't just about being seen, it's about being found. It's the difference between having a sign on a busy street or being tucked away in a hidden alley. It's the difference between a steady stream of customers or a trickle. And it's not just about quantity, but quality. SEO brings in visitors who are actively looking for what you offer. These are not just any visitors, these are potential customers, ready to engage, ready to convert. But to harness the power of SEO, you have to understand how search engines work. They're like librarians of the internet. They scan billions of pieces of content and organize them according to relevance and quality. They use complex algorithms, crawlers, and indexing to determine which websites deserve to rank higher. So whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone with a curiosity for digital marketing, understanding SEO is crucial. It's the key to unlocking your online potential and propelling your business to new heights. Stay tuned as we unravel how search engines work, the first step to mastering SEO. Ever wondered how Google comes up with its search results? Let's explore. To understand this, we first need to grasp the concept of search engine algorithms. These are complex systems that search engines like Google use to deliver the most relevant results to users. They're like the secret sauce, deciding what appears on the first page when you type in a search query. And they're constantly being updated to ensure the highest quality results. Now let's talk about crawlers. No, not creepy crawlies, but bots. These bots, also known as spiders, are sent out by search engines to discover and scan websites. They're like little explorers navigating through the vast landscape of the internet, hopping from link to link and gathering information. The information gathered by these crawlers is then used to create an index. Picture it like a massive library where the librarian knows exactly where every book is. In this case, the books are web pages and the librarian is the search engine. This index is constantly being updated and stored in massive data centers around the world. Now, when you type a query into a search engine, it's not actually searching the whole web in real time. Instead, it's scanning this index to find the most relevant results. It's like looking up a book in the library catalog rather than manually searching through every bookshelf. But how does the search engine determine what's relevant? This is where the algorithm comes in again. It considers hundreds of factors, from the words on your web page to the number of other sites linking to it. It's like a digital detective, piecing together all the clues to decide which results are the most relevant to your search query. In essence, the process of how search engines work is like a never-ending cycle. The crawlers crawl, the index is updated, the algorithms sort, and the most relevant results are delivered to you. All this happens in a fraction of a second, making your search experience seamless and efficient. Now that we understand how search engines work, let's delve into the foundations of SEO. Keywords, the power words of the internet. Let's discover how to use them effectively. Imagine you're a locksmith in Brooklyn. You'd want to be the first result someone sees when they frantically Google locksmith near me, right? That's where keywords come into play. These are the terms your potential customers use when they're looking for your services. And when your website uses these terms effectively, search engines like Google take notice and are more likely to put you at the top of the search results. So how do we find these golden nuggets? Welcome to the world of keyword research, a crucial step in your SEO journey. It's about understanding the language your potential customers use when they're searching for the services you offer. There are several tools available to help you with this, like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. These tools can reveal the popular search terms related to your business, their search volume, and how competitive they are. But it's not just about finding the most popular keywords, it's about finding the right ones for your business. You'll want to consider keyword intent, or why a user is making a particular search. Are they looking to make a purchase, or are they just gathering information? For instance, someone searching for locksmith prices might be comparing options, while emergency locksmith near me is likely ready to hire. You'll also want to assess keyword competition. Highly competitive keywords can be harder to rank for, especially for newer or smaller businesses. So, you might want to find a balance between popular and niche keywords. For our Brooklyn locksmith, that might mean targeting emergency locksmith Brooklyn instead of the more competitive locksmith. Remember, keyword research isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. As your business, audience, and search trends evolve, your keywords should too. With the right keywords, you're on your way to the top. Now let's explore how a well-structured website aids your SEO journey. Think of your website as a book. A well-structured one is easier to read, right? The same goes for websites. In the vast digital library that is the internet, search engines are the librarians. They sort through billions of pages, categorizing and ranking them. To do this effectively, they need a clear and logical structure to follow, just like a well-organized book. The structure of your website is a key factor in its SEO performance. A well-structured website guides search engines to the most important content, making indexing more efficient. It also enhances user experience, leading to lower bounce rates and higher conversion rates. Now, let's talk about site architecture. This is the way your website is organized, and it influences both search engine crawlers and user navigation. The rule of thumb is to keep it simple and intuitive. Aim for a hierarchical design with your homepage at the top, followed by category pages and then individual pages or posts. As for URL structure, it should be as clean and descriptive as possible. A good URL is short, includes relevant keywords, and is easy to understand for both search engines and users. It's like the address of your web page in the digital world. And let's not forget about mobile optimization. In this day and age, a significant portion of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. Search engines recognize this shift and prioritize websites that perform well on mobile. A mobile-friendly website not only boosts your SEO, but also improves user experience, which can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates. To sum it up, a well-structured website is like a well-organized book that's easy to read. It helps search engines understand and index your content effectively. It guides users to the information they're looking for, enhancing their experience and engagement. It's clean, simple, and mobile-friendly. Remember, a well-structured website is key to a successful SEO strategy. Now, let's dive into on-page SEO. Quality content is king in SEO, but how do we optimize it? Stay tuned to find out. In the digital realm, quality content is your golden ticket to SEO success. It's the beacon that attracts search engines and the glue that makes your audience stick around. But what makes content quality? The answer lies in relevance, value, and readability. Relevance is the key to winning the search engine lottery. Your content must align with what your audience is searching for. Value, on the other hand, is what keeps them coming back. It's about providing solutions, insights, or information that your audience can't find anywhere else. Now, onto readability. Imagine you're served a plate of your favorite food, but it's all mashed together, not very appealing, right? The same applies to content. Break it down into digestible bits with headings, subheadings, and short paragraphs. And don't forget to sprinkle in those keywords naturally. So, we've got quality content down, but how do we make it SEO friendly? Here's where our friend EAT comes into play. EAT stands for expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It's a guideline set by Google to assess the quality of web pages. Expertise is about demonstrating your knowledge in your field. Authoritativeness is about earning recognition from others in your industry. And trustworthiness, that's about building a secure and reliable platform for your audience. To implement EAT, start by showcasing your credentials and experience. Share testimonials or reviews to build authority, and ensure your site is secure, up-to-date, and transparent. But remember, SEO isn't a one-off task. It's a continuous journey. Keep refining your content as your audience evolves and new trends emerge. Now that we know how to optimize content, let's look at another crucial aspect of on-page SEO, HTML tags. HTML tags may seem technical, but they're essential for SEO. Let's simplify them. Imagine HTML tags as the invisible markers of your website, guiding search engines to understand the structure and content of your site. They're like the secret language between your website and search engines, and mastering this language can give your site a significant SEO boost. Let's start with title tags. These are the headlines of your web pages that appear in search engine results. They're the first impression users get about your content, so make them count. The best title tags are concise, accurate, and include your target keywords. Next up, meta descriptions. These are the short summaries that appear below the title tags in search engine results. While they don't directly affect your rankings, a compelling meta description can significantly improve click-through rates. So, make sure your meta descriptions are engaging, informative, and include relevant keywords. Then we have headers. These are the chapter titles of your web page, breaking down your content into digestible sections. Headers, ranging from H1 to H6, help search engines understand the hierarchy and flow of your content. Always start with an H1 tag for your main title, followed by subheadings using H2 to H6 tags. And remember, keywords in your headers can also give your SEO a nice little nudge. So how do you optimize these HTML tags for SEO? Here are 3 simple rules. First, always incorporate your target keywords, but don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing can do more harm than good. Second, keep it relevant. Your tags should accurately represent the content of your page. And third, make it engaging. Whether it's your title tag or meta description, it should be compelling enough to make users want to click through. With your HTML tags optimized, you're well on your way to SEO success. But there's one more thing to consider: image optimization. Images not only make your content appealing, but also play a vital role in SEO. Let's discover how. Just like any other piece of content on your website, images can and should be optimized for better search engine rankings. This process involves several steps, starting with choosing the right file type. JPEGs, for example, are perfect for colorful images, while GIFs and PNGs work best for images with fewer colors. Next, make sure to compress your images. Large images can slow down your website, negatively affecting both user experience and SEO. Tools like TinyPang or compressed JPEG can help you do this without sacrificing quality. Don't forget about image alt text. This is the text that describes your image to search engines and helps them understand the content of your image. Make it descriptive and include your target keyword if it fits naturally. With images optimized, we've wrapped up on-page SEO. Next, let's explore the universe of off-page SEO. Scene script. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. Let's learn how to earn them. Why are backlinks so important? Well, think of them as glowing recommendations that tell search engines your site is a trusted and authoritative source. They're a crucial piece of the SEO puzzle, helping to boost your website's visibility and credibility. Now, how do we get these backlinks? The first rule of thumb is to focus on quality, not quantity. One high-quality backlink from a respected website can be worth more than 100 low-quality ones. But remember, acquiring backlinks should always be an ethical process. So let's cross off any dubious strategies like buying links or spamming comments. Instead, focus on creating stellar content that others naturally want to link to. You can also consider guest blogging on reputable sites or participating in relevant industry forums. Another great strategy is to collaborate with influencers or experts in your field who can bring in their own audience and provide a valuable backlink. Another way to get high-quality backlinks is by creating and sharing infographics. They're engaging, easy to understand, and highly shareable, which makes them a strong candidate for backlinks. Now let's talk about analyzing your backlink profile. This is a crucial step as it allows you to understand which websites are linking to you, their domain authority, and the quality of these backlinks. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Moz can provide a comprehensive analysis of your backlink profile. Remember, it's not just about getting as many backlinks as you can. It's about getting the right backlinks. A healthy backlink profile is diverse, with links coming from a variety of sources, and it evolves over time. So keep an eye on your backlink profile and don't be afraid to reach out to websites that are a good match for a potential link. It's all about building relationships and providing value. Congratulations! You've now mastered the basics of SEO. But to stay ahead, it's essential to keep up with SEO trends. Scene script. SEO is a race where the track keeps changing. Let's learn how to stay ahead. Just when you think you've got a handle on the best SEO practices, the search engines go and change the game. That's why it's vital to stay informed about the latest updates and trends in SEO. Here's the thing. Search engines continually refine their algorithms to improve user experience. Every algorithm update can potentially affect your website's search engine ranking. So you must stay updated and adapt your SEO strategies accordingly. But how do you keep up with these changes? Well, you can start by following trusted SEO blogs and forums. Websites like Moz, Search Engine Land, and SEO by the Sea offer in-depth analysis of the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates. You can also follow key figures in the SEO industry on social media. They often share insights and updates that are valuable for keeping your SEO strategy up to date. Now let's talk about the future. What can we expect for SEO in 2024 and beyond? Well, with technology evolving at a rapid pace, we can expect SEO to continue to change and evolve. For instance, as more people use voice search on their smartphones and smart home devices, optimizing for voice search will become increasingly important. So you might want to start thinking about how to incorporate long-tail keywords and natural language into your SEO strategy. Another future trend to watch out for is the growth of artificial intelligence and machine learning in SEO. Search engines are likely to become even more sophisticated in understanding and interpreting website content. This means that creating high-quality, relevant content that truly meets the needs of your audience will be more crucial than ever. And finally, mobile SEO will continue to be a major focus. With more and more people using their mobile devices to browse the web, having a mobile-friendly website isn't just nice to have, it's a must. Remember, the future of SEO is ever evolving and staying updated is key. So here's to your SEO success in 2024 and beyond. And that's a wrap on our SEO journey today. We've navigated the vast ocean of search engine optimization, from understanding the core concept of SEO and its importance in the digital age, to exploring how search engines work and the role they play in determining website rankings. We've delved into the foundations of SEO, unraveling the mysteries of keyword research, website structure, and content optimization. We've discussed the significance of HTML tags, image optimization, and the vital role of backlinks. We also touched on the importance of local and technical SEO and took a peek into the future with advanced SEO strategies like voice search optimization and the use of featured snippets. And finally, we explored essential SEO tools and analytics and the importance of staying updated with SEO trends. Thank you for staying with us. Remember, SEO is not a one-time strategy, but a continuous process. So keep learning, keep optimizing, and keep ranking. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get notified of our next video coming soon.